What's up guys? So today we have the Keurig K-Café Special Edition. It's the single serve K-Cup pod coffee latte and cappuccino maker. Pretty much there's nothing really special in the box. It kind of just comes in a weird brown box right here. Nothing too special. I already went ahead and opened the top part just so I didn't have to get any knives up in this video. So opening it up, right in here, looks like we have some instructions. We'll get to that later right here for you. And then we have what looks to be like the milk frother. Let's go ahead and let's get everything out of here first. Let's go ahead and get this coffee as well. Take this top off. It's the best part, opening everything up. Alrighty, so here's what we have right here. Looks pretty nice. We're going to start with the instruction booklet. We're going to open that up real quick. You're going to see everything inside of it. So it looks like it comes with some coupons right here for some Keurig K-Cups. Ooh, a brewer registration for a special offer. You can actually apply for a special offer right there. And then here comes the instruction booklet. It's kind of like a fold thing. Tells you the instructions going all the way through, which is kind of cool actually. I mean, I know a lot of people already know how to use one of these, but I mean, if you don't, all right here for you. It's quite phenomenal. So let's get into this thing right here. I believe it's the milk frother. Yeah, it would be the one sitting right here, right in there. Open it up. It does come with the whisk right here. That would be spinning the milk inside for you. Small little black thing spins inside. And then also the lid should be right here. So pretty much all would just fit in like that. And I guess kind of just set it there and then press your buttons on the front for you. And then on the front it does have different options. It has your coffee option for if you just put the normal K-Cup inside right here. And it also has the latte and cappuccino maker. It's actually pretty cool because instead of the original 3, it actually comes with 4 different sizes. You have the 6 ounce, the 8 ounce, the 10 ounce, and the 12 ounce. And you can also make a shot of espresso if you'd like as well, which is actually really neat. It has a 60 ounce water reservoir, which it's bigger than the single cup one, but not as big as, I don't remember what the other one is, but it's not as big as the other one. And in the bottom here, they're actually, you guys can see that down there, that's actually your water filter already built into the bottom of it for you, which is kind of cool. Here is where the coffee catcher will be. It is pretty cool. These things, I like how they did make it bigger, just so your coffee will not overflow anymore. Like the smaller ones, your coffee overflowed all the time, and it was nothing to be happy about it. The cool thing about it is it actually does make cold brew as well. So you would just put ice in your cup down there, and then you would just click your normal size, and there also is a button that you can change the strength on there for you. And then when it comes out, you actually can put milk in here and froth it to be cold as well for you, so you can make a nice cold brew as well. So I guess let's just see this thing in action. That's all I got right now. Alright, what is up guys? So here it's gonna be me showing you guys a little demo of this new Keurig coffee pot. So I did take out the bottom tray right here just because I am going to make some iced coffee for you guys to show you how the froth does work, and then this does work as well. So pretty much you're just going to open this up to have this open spot for the pod. Put whatever kind of pod you guys want in there, Keurig pod, and then you're going to go ahead and it's going to say, oh, guess I gotta add water. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Sorry, I did have to fill up that water, so it did go away. It's going to be coffee, latte, or cappuccino. You're going to have to choose from. It will blink for you. I'm just going to go ahead and click the coffee one right here. I'm going to click 12 ounce just because I have the cup for it. Click that and it will start brewing. So here's that frothing right there you did. That was a user error. You did have to click the cold and then either a latte or cappuccino for you. I just did the cold latte. And it is right here, spinning, everything's frothing for you. So there we have it guys, it did finish, it is done right here. So I will take this part out right here, just the iced coffee. And hold on to one end and then come out and pour down like that if you guys would like to make cool little designs. But with me, I'm actually gonna make this go by really fast. I'm just gonna take the top off and then I'm just gonna pour it on in here. And you can stir it up, do whatever way you guys like. But that is a iced coffee right here for you guys. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed. I did do a little bit more digging and I did find some cool facts out about this. If you guys were curious about them. It does have a high altitude setting on it, which is actually really neat because a lot of them do not have that feature. So say that you're up in the mountains or higher altitude, higher than 5,000 feet, it actually ensures that your coffee will brew properly and the machine will work properly for you, even if you're frothing the milk. It does have a brewer maintenance reminder on there as well, so it will light up in the top right here, one of these 3 lights here for you. To let you remind you that it does need to be cleaned every so often, and so you won't get nasty coffee coming out. You can program them like any other one to turn on and off at certain times. You know, after 2 hours of brewing, it turns off to save energy. It can brew any kind of Keurig coffee cup. You can use the normal ones that you get from everywhere, or you can actually have your own, the K-Café universal reusable coffee filter. You can use that and brew your own ground coffee grounds if you guys like to brew your own. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and this is Pure Unboxing. You guys have a great day.